Hi guys! Look how many Christmas shapes we all have here. And guess what? They're all to do with Christmas. Plus, the best bit, they're all in different colours. Now I think they all look great. But do you know what? I think they all have surprises inside them too. So my plan is to open them and see what surprises are hidden inside. Do you want to join me? Let's see. I think first we're going to open up this blue angel. Let's look. Oh wow! Fab! We've got a minion. Now let's get rid of all this Play-Doh like this. Perfect. How handsome is this minion? I love his multicoloured top. He's really funny. Plus, look at his back. He can stick to anything. Now, which next? Let's see. Let's open the red Santa Claus. Shall we see what's inside? Oh, it's a plastic figure. Wow, it's a Dalmatian. How cute is he? I think he's one of our friends from the film 101 Dalmatians. Do you like the film 101 Dalmatians? Plus, do you guys have any pet dogs? Me, I love dogs. Come on then, doggy, you can go sit with our minion friend. And now we have 4 figures left. I think now I'm going to open this yellow star. Come on, Star, what do you have inside? Let's open. Oh, another figure, and this one is... It's Mickey Mouse! Oh, wow! Come on, let's get rid of this yellow Play-Doh. Hi, Mickey. Oh, what a cool face you have. Plus, you look so happy. Mickey, should we open more surprises? Yes? Come on then, let's open some more. Okay, I think we still have 3 left. Yes, we have 3. Now, we're going to open our green Christmas tree. Oh, it's Hello Kitty, but... Oh, she's in a fancy dress costume. This one looks like a lion costume. Kitty, you are looking very cute in that outfit, I must say. I love it. And now, we have 2 left. Let's open our orange Christmas bell. Let's see... What's hidden in here? Guys, it's Rocky from Paw Patrol. Let's get rid of all this orange Play-Doh. Hi, Rocky, and oh! You're a rubber. You're perfect for children in school. You can help them with all their homework. And last but not least, we have a purple heart. I bet you all have very big hearts too. Let's open. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, it's Peppa Pig! Yes, it's Peppa Pig! Let's get rid of his Play-Doh. Oh, wow, Peppa, you look just like a princess. Look, you have a gold crown. And look at that necklace. You really are so beautiful, Peppa. Come on, I'm going to put you with the rest of our friends, okay? Guys, look at all these surprises we found inside our Play-Doh Christmas shapes. They're all great. Plus, I bet Santa Claus will be bringing us loads more surprises. My favourite surprise is Peppa, but which is yours? See you soon.